Hey everyone, my name is Yash and welcome to our channel Gossipfunda. So hey guys, if you are facing any Facebook Messenger issue, then this video is for you. To resolve any Facebook Messenger issue, there are two steps. So first step, go to the Facebook Messenger app and go to the app info and click on storage and clear the data for the Messenger app. Now try to open the app. If the app is still showing the issue, then just delete the app and reinstall it from the Play Store. Go to the Play Store, type Messenger and install it. Before installing it, just make sure that you are not the part of the beta group tester. As you can see, the beta program is full, so I'm not the part of the beta tester. So I'm safe to download it. Actually, the beta testing app contain some bit glitches or bugs that may have issues for you. But as you can see, I'm not a beta tester, so the app is completely free bug. So let me install it. After the installation completed, try to log in it with your account and your issues will be resolved completely. Thank you. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and like and share. If you still face an issue, please comment down below. Thank you.